In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete estimated taxes from Shopify checkout. If your checkout shows an estimated taxes line that's confusing customers, I'll walk you through how to turn off those tax calculations where possible and adjust the wording so it's clear and friendly. First, open your Shopify website and log into your admin. From the admin dashboard, go to Settings. Inside Settings, select Taxes and Duties. This is where Shopify controls how taxes are calculated and displayed. On the Taxes and Duties page, scroll down to the Global Settings section. Here, uncheck the options that enable automatic tax calculations. These settings are what trigger estimated taxes to appear before the final checkout. By unchecking the global tax options, you're telling Shopify not to show or calculate taxes by default at this stage. Keep in mind, regulations vary by region, and some jurisdictions require tax display at checkout. If you're unsure, consult your local tax rules or a professional so you stay compliant while still creating a clear checkout experience. Once you've unchecked the relevant options under Global Settings, click Save. Saving locks in those changes so they immediately apply to your store. Next, we'll adjust the wording your customers see. Go back to your admin and click Online Store. In the Theme area, click the three dots menu for your current theme, then choose Edit Default Theme Content. This opens the language and text editor for your theme, which controls the labels shown throughout your storefront and checkout. In the search bar of the Theme Content Editor, type Taxes. You'll see the field that controls the label for taxes at checkout. Change the text from Taxes or Estimated Taxes to Free. This update doesn't change any calculations by itself, it simply adjusts the wording. Customers see if the tax line is present. It's a helpful way to reduce confusion, especially when your settings are configured not to charge tax. After updating the text, click Save so the new label is applied across your theme. With these two updates, disabling tax calculations under Global Settings and updating the tax label in your theme content, you'll present a cleaner checkout that avoids customer confusion. If your business legally must show or collect taxes, Shopify may still add them at the final payment step based on the customer's address. But for stores where taxes aren't required or are already included in the price, these changes create a more straightforward checkout experience and help set the right expectations for your buyers.